Hello there, Carmen. This is Uncle String, and today, over there, I'm going to be taking you to the monkey forest. Get ready. I think we're getting closer to the monkeys because I found this guy here. But he's not a real monkey. Let's go find the real guys. Those sneaky little monkeys. I'm going to go find them right now. See you soon. Alright, so I've entered inside the forest. I'll show you around. But I can't see any monkeys yet. I better keep searching. That didn't take long. I want to show you something. See if you can see something behind me. It's a little monkey. Look, I'll show you. I have a baby monkey here. Oh! Can't believe there's so many monkeys here. Are you ready for this? Watch this. But I have to be very quiet. Because look, he's scratching himself. Come here. Look at this little guy here. Say hello, Carmen. Look at this crazy little monkey. What are you doing, eh? So playful. Just come into a place where there's a few monkeys and it's very quiet. So they're just hanging out. Have a look what they're doing. They're just sitting there. Say hello, hey monkey. There's a few more over here. I wish they could speak. I want to ask them, how do you climb trees so well? Like this one. Look at this guy here. Hanging out in trees like a monkey. Oh, this is a big one here. I think that's it for Monkey Forest. So I'm gonna have to see what else I will do for the next adventures of Uncle String. I miss you, Carmen, and I'll see you soon. I'll be at your house very soon to visit Mama and Dada and Anya, and of course you. Bye bye.